Hello class 2, how are you? I hope you all are fine. So today in our EVS class we will start with chapter number 7, food we eat. Okay, today we will talk about food that we eat every day. Alright? Need and importance of food. So here we will first discuss about need and importance of food. Of course, we eat our food every day. Yes, which is very important to live. Alright? So here we will talk about need and importance of food. We eat many things every day. Whatever we eat is our food. Okay, we eat every day. So whatever we eat is our food. We eat food to get energy. We use energy to work and play. Because of food we get energy, and when we get energy we can work and we can play. Alright. Food helps our body to grow. It also helps us to grow. Okay. Food helps us to be strong and healthy. Okay. Food helps us to be strong as well as healthy. Some food items can be consumed in its raw form. Okay. Some foods we can eat raw while others need to be cooked. Okay. There are some food that we can eat raw, and there are some food that we have to cook. Okay, for example, we can eat carrots. See, this is carrot. We can eat carrots raw as well as cook them like vegetables. So carrot we can eat raw as well as we can cook them. All right. Meat needs to be cooked. Okay, so here this is meat. Okay, so meat needs to be cooked. We cannot eat raw. Okay, before eating, and cannot be consumed raw. Alright. Now next is sources of food. Human get food from two sources, plants and animals. We get food from two sources. First is plants and another one is animals. Alright. From plants we get vegetables, fruits, grains, pulses, nuts and oil. Okay, so children, from plant what do we get? Vegetables, yes, green vegetables, fruits, grains, pulses, nuts and oil. Animals provide food in form of, so what animal gives us? Milk, egg, meat and fish. Okay, so plant gives us vegetable, fruit, grain, pulses, nuts and oil, whereas animals give us milk, eggs, meat and fish. Okay, now turn the page. Major food items. So here now we'll talk about major food items. Plants are the main source of food. Plants provide us with the following food items. Okay, first we'll talk about plants. Vegetables, they give us vegetables, right? Vegetables such as spinach, cauliflower, tomatoes, onions, peas and beans. Okay, there are many vegetables. So here are few vegetables. Okay, names of vegetables such as spinach, cauliflower, tomatoes, onions, peas and beans. Next is fruits. Apples, bananas, guavas, oranges and watermelons. So here are names of fruits. Next is grains and cereals. What are grains and cereals? Wheat, rice that we eat. Okay, from wheat we eat roti, chapati, maize, okay, corn, bajra and jowar. Now pulses, lentils, dals. Okay, we drink dal, yes, with food in lunchtime. Kidney beans, which is also called rajma, and chickpeas, which is also called chana. Okay, again, pulses, lentils, dals, kidney beans, rajma and chickpeas, chana. Okay, so here are major food items of plants which we get from plants: vegetables, fruits, grains and cereals, pulses. Now animals. Animals provide us with milk, egg and meat. Okay, many products are created with milk. For instance, curd and cottage cheese. Curd and cheese, yes, it is made up of milk. Alright. We get fruits, vegetables, pulses and cereals from plants, isn't it? Farmers grow fruits and vegetables. Okay. They grow food, grains on their field. Okay. So farmers, they have filled a large area, okay, where they grow fruits and vegetables. Okay, children. Now we get eggs, milk, butter, ghee and meat from farm animals. Okay, we get these things from animals. All right. People rear these animals on their farm. Okay, cows gives us milk. Okay, cows gives us milk. Milk is turned to butter and ghee. Okay, from milk we can get different kind of products, just like butter, ghee, cheese, curd. All right, we get eggs from hens and ducks. See, we get eggs from hens and ducks. Fish are found in water. Yes, fish are found in water bodies such as ponds, lakes, rivers and seas. Okay. Now next, kinds of food. So now we'll talk about kinds of food. We eat different kinds of food to become healthy, isn't it? Food can put into three groups. Okay, food can be put into three groups. To remain healthy, it is important to eat food from all these groups. Okay, food from all groups make a balanced diet. Our body needs a balanced diet to stay healthy. You cannot eat whatever you want. Okay, you cannot eat vast amount of food. All right, so everything should be in balance. All right, what we have to eat and what we do not have to eat. Okay, let us learn more out about these food groups. Okay, first is energy giving food, the food that gives us energy. Carbohydrates and fats gives us energy. These two are the main source of energy. Okay, carbohydrates and fats that is present in our food, okay, gives us energy. We use energy for different activities such as playing, studying, etc. Because of this we are able to do different kind of activities in our daily life, such as playing, studying, yes, running, jumping, all right, doing work. Okay, so because of these carbohydrates and fats we get energy. Rice, wheat, potatoes, sweet potatoes and sugar contain carbohydrates. Okay, so now we'll talk about the food that has carbohydrates, that contains carbohydrates. First is rice, wheat, potatoes, sweet potatoes and sugar. Okay, so here see examples. All right, fats include butter, cream and cooking oil. Okay, so fats include butter, cream and cooking oil. Junk food is often high in fats and sugar. Junk food that we eat outside our house, okay, that are called junk food. It only contains high in fats and sugar. It is not good for health. Okay, so children, see, this is also food. Junk food is also called food, but it is not good for health. Why? Because it does not provide energy. It does not provide carbohydrates and fats. All right, it only gives you fats and sugar, okay, which is not good for our health. Okay, we should try to avoid junk food as much as possible. We shouldn't eat junk food. Okay, now next is bodybuilding food. First we learned energy giving food. Now we'll learn bodybuilding food, which is protein. Protein provides us bodybuilding food. Okay, our bodybuilding food, they help us to grow. Okay, protein help us to grow. Meat, whereas energy giving food, it gives us energy, okay, which is healthy. But bodybuilding food, it gives us protein which help us to grow. Meat, fish, egg, milk, nuts, beans, peas and soya contain protein. So here are the list, here are the names that provides protein. Meat, fish, egg, milk, nuts, beans, peas and soya contains protein. People who do not eat meat and fish must include a lot of pulses and nuts in their diets. Okay, so here are people who does not eat meat and fish, egg, etc. Okay, so they are supposed to eat pulses and nuts in their diet if they are not eating, if they don't eat meat and all. Okay, growing children should drink at least 1 glass of milk every day. Okay, so children should always drink milk once a day. All right, so fact file, people who do not eat meat and fish are called vegetarians. Okay, people who do not eat fish and meat, those are called vegetarians. People who eat meat and fish are called non-vegetarians. Okay, so people who eat meat and fish are called non-vegetarian. Okay, that's the difference. All right. Now, protective food. Vitamin and minerals are protective food. Energy giving food gives us carbohydrates, fats. Bodybuilding food gives us protein, and protective food gives us vitamin and minerals. Okay, vitamin and minerals are protective food. They protect our body from disease. Okay, fruits and vegetables gives us vitamin and minerals. Okay, so that's why when we fall sick, yes, what happens, we eat normal food and we take medicine. Okay, medicine also help us to recover, but at the same time, just because you eat protective food which contains vitamins and minerals, it also helps us to recover. Okay, we must eat plenty of fruits. Fruits is very important. They help us to be strong and healthy. For example, carrot have vitamin A, which is good for eyes. Okay, children, carrots. Okay, we should eat carrots. Raw carrots is very good. Okay, why? Because it provides vitamin A, which is good for your eyes. All right. Now turn the page. Water. Water is very important, children. Okay, very important. All right, water is important for our body. Always drink water. It helps our body to digest the food that we eat. Okay, it helps our body to remove waste. Okay, unwanted waste. Okay, that is present in our body, it helps to remove. We should drink at least 8 glasses of water every day. Okay, children, always drink 8 glasses of water every day. Children may not require 8 glasses of water as recommended for adults. Okay, so children, you should drink at least 5 to 6 glasses of water every day, and adults should drink 8 glasses of water every day. All right, however, they need to drink sufficient water. All right, children must increase their intake before and after any physical activity. So whenever you are playing, running, walking around, right, so what you have to do is you should always drink water after those activities. Okay, it drains, right? You have to drink water at that moment. They should also drink more water in hot weather. Okay, during summertime, yes, you have to drink water. Okay, now healthy eating habits. So here are the list of healthy eating habits. First, we must eat food to keep ourselves fit. Okay, children, we must eat our meals at fixed hours. Okay, so you eat 3 meals per day, isn't it? So it should be on fixed hours, fixed time. Okay, we must eat only fresh and covered food. All right, fresh and covered food. Food that is covered, you have to eat that. We must wash our hands before and after eating, which is very important. Always wash your hand before eating and after eating food. We must eat slowly and chew our food well. Okay, do not hurry while eating food. You have to chew slowly. Okay, while eating food. We must eat plenty of fruits and vegetables. Why? Because fruits and vegetables gives us energy, isn't it? So we should eat plenty of fruits and vegetables, especially green vegetables. All right, we must eat our food at clean place and in clean dishes. Okay, the dish that you are having food, it should be clean. Okay, and the place should also be clean. So here are the healthy eating habits. Okay, children, so that's all for chapter number 7, food we eat. Go through this chapter. Okay, children.